Have you ever had a new employee join your company and within days they just feel disconnected or uninformed? You can solve this problem by building a welcome kit onboarding automation. Let me show you how it works. And so I'm just going to quickly run this automation. And what happens is that this automation detects all the new employees that are part of an HR database. And then what happens is that those employees get a Slack message as well as a email. And as you can see, it looks like there is one new employee that was added to this specific company. So let's check out the messages that they got. So if you look at Slack, this is the message that they got on Slack. It says, "Welcome, John Readington. Great to have you with us. We have sent you a mail with your onboarding kit," which is awesome. And now if we go to their email and we just click open over there, as you can see, this is the email that they will receive. The subject line says, "Welcome to Connex, John Readington," and then it says, "Hello, welcome to our company. Please find attached your onboarding kit. Kind regards, HR team," and the attachment is over there. And so this is such an incredible automation because you're streamlining the process of onboarding your new employees. Hi, my name is Peter from Connex. We are an automation agency that helps companies streamline their workflows and their entire operations. If you're interested in working with us, please be sure to book a free discovery call with us. If you're interested in speaking to one of our consultants, please be sure that you visit our website, which is connex.digital, or you can check the links down below in the description. Without further ado, let me show you how I built this welcome kit onboarding automation. Alright, so first things first, the digital automation platform that we'll be using is make.com. And we're going to be using 5 modules to create this automation. The first module is a BambooHR module, and then we're using a router. Then from there, we're going to have a Slack module, a Google Drive module, as well as a Gmail module to achieve this. And so the first module is a BambooHR Watch Employees module. And so this module, what it does is that it looks for the new employees that are added into the HR database. And as you saw in this example, there was one employee that was added recently to the HR database. Their name, hypothetically speaking, is John Readington. And so if we go to BambooHR right now, which I want to show you, and we just look at the recent hires. So I'm just going to click on hire date. And I scroll through to the date, which is today. As you can see, this is John Readington's profile, and you can see that this is the hire date being today's date. So that means that Readington John was added today, and that's why they were detected within the automation within Make. Now I'm going to go back to Make, and what happens after they actually are detected within the database, then there is a router module that takes place. Now this just means that it splits into 2 paths. So the first path is that John will receive a Slack message, and the Slack message will then just welcome them and ensure that they are ready to receive the mail that was sent to them with their onboarding kit. And so this Slack module can also be used as a way to also communicate to the relevant departments and the relative colleagues that John is also a part of. The second part of the router is now when John is going to receive an email. And so there's 2 modules that are part of this route. It's the Google Drive download a file module, as well as the Gmail send an email module. And so within this module here, Google Drive download a file, we actually need to retrieve the actual file that we want to send to the employee. And so that's why this module is in place, so that we can download it and we can also transform it and convert it to our specific format that's going to be suitable into the next module, which is a send an email module. And so this module is then going to get the email address of the employee from the actual HR database, and then from there they're going to be sent an email with the file being attached as well. So the file will just be mapped into this send an email module. And then from there, the employee will receive their welcome onboarding kit that will ensure that they get onboarded successfully within a company. And that's about it. This is how you can build a simple onboarding welcome kit automation. If you'd like us to help you in building this automation, please be sure to book a call with us and visit our website, which is connex.digital. If you want more information, please check the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, share, and also subscribe to our channel so that we can give you more awesome content. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.